Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the ANCEL BM500 OBD2 Scanner. If you're passionate about cars and want to take control of your vehicle's health, stick around, because this little gadget might just be what you've been looking for. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First things first, let's get to know the ANCEL BM500. This compact and powerful OBD2 scanner is designed to help you diagnose and troubleshoot issues with your vehicle's onboard systems. It's compatible with a wide range of car models, making it a versatile tool for DIY mechanics and professionals alike. Right out of the box, the BM500 feels like a quality piece of kit. It's got a solid, ergonomic design that's comfortable to hold, and the 2.4-inch TFT color screen is bright and easy to read. The buttons are also well placed and responsive, making it easy to navigate the menu. Now, let's dive into some of the key features that make the ANCEL BM500 stand out. Full OBD2 functions. The BM500 supports all OBD2 functions, giving you access to essential diagnostic information such as engine status, emissions, and more. Live data stream. One of my favorite features is the live data stream. This allows you to view real-time data from various sensors in your vehicle, helping you pinpoint issues quickly. Reads and clears codes, whether it's a check engine light or a mysterious warning code. The BM500 can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, making it easier to address issues before they become major problems. User-friendly interface. Navigating the menu is a breeze with its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not a seasoned mechanic, you can use this tool with confidence. Powerful compatibility unleashed. It is highly compatible with BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce models. After 1996, covering a wide range of warrants, seamless diagnostics and troubleshooting. Ideal for BMW enthusiasts and owners, it offers a versatile and user-friendly tool for efficient maintenance. Of course, no review is complete without weighing the pros and cons. Pros: extensive vehicle compatibility, live data stream for real-time monitoring, user-friendly interface for easy navigation, compact and portable design. Cons: limited advanced features compared to higher-end scanners, may not support specific advanced functions for certain car models. In conclusion, the ANCEL BM500 OBD2 scanner is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to take control of their car's health. Its user-friendly interface, extensive compatibility, and essential diagnostic functions make it a valuable addition to any DIY mechanic's toolkit. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable OBD2 scanner, the ANCEL BM500 might be the one for you. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your comments below. Until next time, happy diagnosing and safe driving.